Hey, what's up guys? It's Dom from Whole Printing Inc. I want to wish you guys a happy holiday season. Most of you guys will be watching this after the new year, so I also want to say to you guys, I wish you all a happy new year filled with peace, love, and most importantly, health. And I want to also apologize kind of for my lack of content during these past few weeks and even months. My goal with Whole Printing Inc., the YouTube channel, was always to post consistent videos. However, I have started a membership, and this is kind of what this video is about. The new DTF private membership is an exclusive DTF membership where individuals like yourself can connect with like-minded people to share, learn, and grow about their DTF experience. In these past few months, I've kind of stepped away from YouTube a bit to focus on providing as much value as humanly possible in that DTF private membership. I don't want to take too much of your time. I just want to wish you guys a happy 2024 filled with health, abundance, love, prosperity. And I want to give you guys also a special sale that we're having on the private membership. Again, the reason I've not been on YouTube consistently these past few months / weeks, I've been providing as much value in that group as possible. To give you a quick backstory of what the group consists of, it's a simple Facebook group. To keep it as simple as possible for you guys, we post DTF content, we share our experience, we help members one-on-one with the group effort, basically going step by step to diagnose any problems you might have in DTF printing. Now, when you start DTF printing, a lot of trials and tribulations can occur, from simply doing your maintenance to having flashing lights, to having a bunch of different error codes, to even parts malfunctioning, changing motherboards, changing cables inside of the printers, changing print heads, having issues with your print heads, having issues with your waste ink pump, all this type of stuff where we help the members completely solve their problems. Up to date, guys, we have around 10 to 15 active members that pay a monthly subscription, compared to the one-on-one consultation where you have directly access to my time, which can be very valuable for some of you. However, those one-on-one consultations where you're directly connected with me can become quite expensive, since you're booking my time directly and I'm not able to help other people and grow my business. I'm spending my time directly with you. With that private membership being so valuable, in my opinion, is that you're paying way less than a one-on-one consultation, so it's cheaper. And you get so much more value because I'm able to go back and forth with you and answer all of your questions and give you step-by-step solutions to your problem. I just want to follow up with you guys. I don't want to make this video too long. If you guys are interested in the membership, make sure to go take a look in the first link in the description down below. We're having a huge sale right now. So the new membership price, guys, will be $50 USD starting January 17th. So you guys have a week or two to take action before the membership price increases to $50 USD per month. The membership price currently, at the time of this recording, the 2nd of January 2024, the membership price is only $25 US per month. Incredible amount of value for the monthly pricing. I highly suggest you guys go check it out. If you want to learn more about the membership, a second video linked in the description down below, so you can take a look about the things that we cover. And I'll also be updating you guys this month. I don't want to take too much of your time as I keep repeating myself, because there's a lot of things going on. I really wish something like this existed when I first started out. It would have saved me so much time, money, frustration, effort, a whole lot of emotions that I wouldn't have to go through if I would have just, paid for a membership like this and avoided all of the hassle. I don't even think stuff like this existed 3 years ago, and if so, it wasn't marketed properly, because I would have for sure invested into my education when it came to DTF printing. Like I said, I would have saved so much trials and tribulations. It's incredible. Also, guys, just to give you a bit of backstory on the current members that are in the group, all of the members that are currently in the DTF private membership have a 100% satisfaction rate. So every single member, let's say I'm a member in the group, right? All of my problems have been successfully solved. None of our members have went with a problem untreated. Obviously, sometimes some problems are a bit more complex. It takes a little bit more of, going back and forth to resolve the problem, but we always respond to all of our members, making sure they're heard and making sure we resolve the problem 100% of the time. If you pay $25 USD per month today and you sign up today, you will only and always be paying only $25 USD per month, compared to the people that are gonna buy later on, which is still gonna be valuable, but they're gonna be locked in to $50 a month. So basically, the sooner you buy, the less you're gonna be paying monthly. And if you start paying $25 per month, you're always going to be paying $25 per month. So the goal is to incentivize people to take action as soon as possible. And if you want to save even more, guys, instead of paying $25 per month, you can pay a yearly subscription, and you're going to save around $50 USD on your yearly membership. And again, you will be locked in to that pricing every single year. So instead of paying $25 USD per month, you're gonna pay one time, once a year, and it's always gonna be the same price, even though the membership might be, you know, $50 per month, $75 per month, any pricing that the membership will be at. As long as you stay subscribed, you will be locked in to the current price that you're paying. So I just wanted to make that clear, because some of you are going to be like, why should I buy at 25 if the next month is going to be 50? The price will never increase. The pricing you pay today will be the same price you pay monthly or yearly. Hope this clarifies everything, guys. As you guys can see, a lot of things are going on. I'm really excited for 2024, guys. This is going to be our year. We're going to grow and scale this business to a level that you guys can't even comprehend right now. I am beyond grateful for every single one of you watching these videos. Again, the topic of this video, we're having a sale, $25 per month for the group, and then it's going to be going to $50 a month the 17th of January. So guys, take action as soon as possible. I'll be posting daily videos starting pretty much today. And also we have this big behemoth in the back just chilling. So lots of things. I'm really excited. I have a lot of cleaning up to do, a lot of members to attend to in the group. I'll be running all over the place for these next few weeks, but once this bad boy is up and running and, you know, the sale in the group is finalized and we got all of our members, everything's going to become more stable. But I just wanted to give you guys, you know, an update of what's going on my end. We got a big printer. We got the membership that's scaling and growing really quickly. We have also daily videos that are coming back at the day of this recording. So when you see this video on the 2nd or the 3rd, I'm not too sure when I'm gonna post it, you'll be able to see daily videos coming back on Hole Printing Inc. The membership is gonna be a valuable asset for you guys to have in your arsenal for DTF printing. A whole lot of content on the new big printer, also a backstory on how I got it, all that type of stuff. And just daily videos and a whole lot of abundance in 2024. I want to wish you guys again a lot of health, prosperity, and abundance in your life. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with Hole Printing Inc. for another year. I can't wait for you guys to grow and scale with me as we grow our print shops and we learn and share our printing journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.